Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the honest truth about beauty products you need to know. Today, we're taking a close look at a travel-sized powerhouse from a brand that's known for its results-driven skincare, the Sunday Riley Mini Retinol and Repeat Travel Kit. Packed with powerful ingredients, this kit is designed to help you achieve a smoother, younger-looking complexion while on the go. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Sunday Riley Mini Retinol and Repeat Travel Kit contains 0.4 fluid ounces of a potent retinol treatment, specifically crafted to address fine lines, uneven skin tone, and texture. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that's praised for its ability to accelerate cell turnover, making it a go-to ingredient in anti-aging routines. In addition to retinol, this formula also includes soothing agents to minimize irritation, which is often a concern with retinol use. The kit comes in a compact size, making it perfect for travel or for those looking to test out this formula without committing to a full-size product. When I first tried the Sunday Riley Mini Retinol and Repeat Travel Kit, I was impressed by how easy it was to integrate into my nightly routine. The consistency is lightweight yet hydrating, and it absorbed quickly into my skin without leaving any sticky or greasy residue. I applied it in the evening, as directed, after cleansing and before my moisturizer. Upon waking up the next morning, I noticed a subtle improvement in my skin's texture. It felt smoother, and my complexion looked more even-toned. The formula's blend of retinol and calming ingredients worked as promised, leaving my skin feeling revitalized without the typical irritation I often experience with other retinol products. However, I did experience some mild dryness on the second night of use, which is common with retinol, especially for those with sensitive skin. This is where the importance of following the instructions and using a good moisturizer afterward becomes clear. I would recommend starting slowly, especially if you're new to retinol, and building up usage over time to avoid any potential dryness or irritation. So, what are the pros and cons? On the positive side, the mini size is a huge win for anyone who loves to travel or wants to test out a product before investing in a larger bottle. The formula itself is effective, with visible results after just a few days of use. My skin felt smoother, and I noticed a reduction in the appearance of fine lines. On the flip side, the price point can be a bit high for the size, especially considering that you'll likely need to use this product consistently to see long-term results. And while it's effective, the slight dryness I experienced means you'll need to stay on top of your moisturizer, which could be a downside for some. In terms of value for money, I'd say that the price of this product is justified if you're looking for a quality retinol treatment that delivers results in a smaller, travel-friendly size. It's perfect for those who want to try out retinol without committing to a full-size bottle, but it might not be the best option if you're on a budget or looking for a long-term retinol solution. When comparing this product to similar retinol treatments on the market, it does stand out in terms of formulation. The inclusion of soothing ingredients helps reduce the irritation that's often associated with retinol use, which is a big plus for sensitive skin. There are certainly more affordable options, but the quality and results you get from Sunday Riley do make it worth considering. The build quality of the product itself is excellent. The packaging is sleek and secure, which is a must when you're traveling. The dropper works smoothly, and the product dispenses easily without making a mess. Now, as for customer support, I've heard nothing but good things about Sunday Riley's responsiveness. They have a strong reputation for standing by their products and offering great support if needed. That's always a plus when it comes to skincare brands. There haven't been any major updates to this product yet, but I'll keep an eye on that if anything changes in the future. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few retinol products in the same price range that offer similar results. Brands like The Ordinary and Paula's Choice offer effective retinol treatments at a more affordable price, but without the travel-friendly size. If you're someone who travels a lot or just wants to test out a retinol treatment before committing to something larger, this Sunday Riley kit could be a better fit. To wrap it up, the Sunday Riley Mini Retinol and Repeat Travel Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to try out retinol without the commitment of a full-size bottle. It's effective, easy to use, and delivers noticeable results. If you're someone who's already familiar with retinol, this product will likely become a favorite. However, if you're on a budget or prefer larger quantities, you might want to consider other options that provide better value for money. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used the Sunday Riley Mini Retinol and Repeat Travel Kit, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences with this product. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.